What is that, Irie?
Card for me.
Oh yeah? Let's see. Open it. Can you go over there and open it? What do you think?
No, they can't go. Oh!
Irie, what do you have to say to Grandma Jane? Let's read the card. Let's see what it says. Give it to Mommy. Let Mommy read it.
Grandma Jane loves Irie Jane.
Oh.
And the butterfly
Say, Irie.
card.